In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Kajabi paid subscription. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to Kajabi, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step of the cancellation process. Let's begin. First, you need to log into Kajabi. Start by heading over to the Kajabi website and signing in with your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now take a look at the bottom left corner of your sidebar. There you will see the settings option. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the settings menu, it's time to navigate to the billing settings. Under the account settings section, you'll notice an option labeled billing. Click on this to access your billing details. Here you'll find comprehensive information about your current plan, billing cycle, and payment details, everything you need to know about your subscription. Next, let's move on to canceling your subscription. While still in the billing section, search for the option that says cancel subscription. Once you find it, click on it and follow the prompts that Kajabi provides. During this process, Kajabi will likely ask for the reason why you're choosing to cancel. Additionally, they may offer an alternative option to pause your account instead of canceling it outright. If you're sure about your decision to cancel, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. At this point, it's important to verify that your subscription has been successfully canceled. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a confirmation email from Kajabi, which should arrive shortly after you've completed the cancellation process. This email serves as an official record that your subscription has indeed been terminated. Don't worry about losing access right away. Your account will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, so you can continue to use Kajabi's services until then without any disruptions. I hope this guide has made the cancellation process as smooth and easy as possible for you. Keeping track of your subscription services is crucial, and it's always good to know how to manage them effectively. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Best of luck with your future endeavors, and until next time, take care.